What proportion of gross income in 2015 is deducted due to income tax and pension contributions for a manager who has been at the firm for 20 years? First, let's determine the pension contributions for this manager. So, if they've been at the firm for 20 years, they're getting the full 3% employee payment. So, 3% as a decimal is 0.03. Let's multiply that by their wage in 2015. So if they're a manager in 2015, they make 28,000. And that equals £840. For the next part, we need to calculate the tax that's taken off of this basic income, 28,000. So first we need to do a few calculations. What we'll do is we'll calculate this band here. So in this tax band, we take 28,000, subtract the 20,000, which is the lower end of the band, which leaves us with £8,000. This amount of money is the amount of money over 20,000, so it's taxed at 24%. 24% is a multiplier of 0.24. So 0.24 times 8,000 equals £1,920 in tax. Now we need to calculate the tax on the next band. So for this band here, we know that the employee earned more than this amount, so they're paying tax on the full band, which is 20,000. Take away 11,500, which equals 8,500. So the tax they have to pay on that is 15%, which is a decimal is 0.15 times 8,500, which equals £1,275. Finally, they pay 0% tax on their remaining income under 11,500, so we don't need to calculate any tax for that. In total, we need to add up these two to calculate the tax paid, which is £3,195 total. So, this and this have both been taken out of his basic income for the year, so we need to calculate the proportion that those represent. Let's add those two together, which leaves us with £4,035 paid. If we want to calculate that as a proportion of his total, we take 4,035, divide it by his total income, which was 28,000. That gives us a decimal. We want it as a percentage, so multiply by 100, which leaves us with 14.4% of the £28,000 was paid due to pension contributions and income tax. That's answer 2.